IVM.
Hi everybody, just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative. Cyrus Says is the show's name, but today we have a legend, an actual legend, someone I can't tell you, grew up watching, have a lot of time for, but I have one slight fight with her and I have to ask her about this right now as we start the show and as I introduce her, which is many years ago, in 1998, 99, maybe 2000, my memory is not good. We were drinking alcohol, which is very bad. वो पाप है, sin है, do not do that. In the Bombay Gymkhana, I used to do it every Friday as part of my job. And suddenly somebody told me, Neena Gupta is here. So Neena Gupta, I mean, it's a fairly common name. So Neena Gupta is not necessarily the Neena Gupta. Neena Gupta, banker, lawyer, engineer, business, koi pehchan hai, client. So that's what I thought. And then suddenly we realized she talked about Neena Gupta, the famous actress. And normally in the Bombay Gymkhana, we don't get famous actresses. So everybody was like, Neena Gupta's here, Neena Gupta's here. And so we went, me and my fat friend Kunal Vijekar, and we joined the table. We said hello to Neena Gupta and we sat. And I bought a drink also. I bought a drink, ladies and gentlemen, with my own money. And then Neena Gupta vanished. वो drink था, but Neena Gupta गायब हुई. Just disappeared suddenly. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at that beautiful mug. Is that the best thing in the world? Look at that Slay coffee. It's changed my mornings. I mean, I'm always happier, more active, more jovial. Every single day, I'm like singing and dancing thanks to Slay coffee. Slay is definitely a huge reason why. I thank you, Slay. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm sure this is the experience of so many Slay coffee customers. So is it any wonder that Slay has sold over, get this folks, 1.5 million cups of coffee since just February of 2019 across 150 locations and across 15 major cities. 1.5 million cups of delicious coffee. This is incredible and it doesn't surprise me one bit. Slay is just that good. For instance, just try their salted caramel latte and tell me it's not one of the best things you've ever tasted. Mark Kasam, you will just go crazy. It's fantastic. Or their variety of amazing cold coffees, which are absolutely fabulous as well. So don't wait. Order India's best rated coffee today on Swiggy and Zomato. Slay Coffee, India's best coffee experience. And now we'll let the young model in the picture take a sip of Slay Coffee. Woo! Slay Coffee! I want to introduce her, ladies and gentlemen, with great fanfare. Let's welcome Neena Gupta. I'm sure she doesn't remember this, but I do remember because I was so excited to meet you. And
I don't. I'm so sorry. But क्या मैंने drink लेके bye bye बोल दिया?
नहीं drink तो वही था and no one had touched it also. I think कोई आया था आपके सामने and then some conversation happened and we didn't want to crowd you too much also. We had anyway joined the table. It was a big table and somebody and so you got up and they was talking और फिर बीच में 5-10 मिनट के बाद and you were just gone. And suddenly I was, where's Neena Gupta? And our entire Bombay Gym went down because everybody was like, oh, Neena Gupta, yeah. Everybody was talking about you. You have no idea.
I was nice to you, na?
You were very nice. You were very sweet. You smiled. But you couldn't, everyone was trying to get your attention. So, you were nice to all of us, I think. But I remember because उस time पे अभी ये पैसा भी एक चीज है लाइफ में. Please understand from my point of view. And it was a 250 rupee at that time. 1999 की बात है. 200 rupees, 500 or 1,000 rupees today का glass of wine, which I wanted to like as respect because you have come there. And I'm known to be a conjuice. You can ask my crew also. I'm known to be a conjuice. And so I was very upset.
I promise I'll return this sometimes.
And wine tastes better.
Get you even more expensive, nice drink.
Thank you so much, Neena. By the way, can I call you Neena? Because now I've completed 50 years. So I can't call people G, yaar. मैं तो खुद जी बन गया अभी. Yeah.
नहीं जी.
Yeah, please. Although Neena Ji is confusing because Neena Gupta. My wife is a big fan and she's now wanting to come and say hi.
Hello. Let me see you with my specs.
She wants to see you with the specs. Come and say properly.
Hi.
Say hi. You have to see into my. Say hello.
Oh, hi. Loved your show. It was really nice.
She's talking about Masaba. She loved
Okay.
that, and she wanted me to say. So let me say off the bat, because अगर भूल जाएगा तो मार खाएगा बाद में. About the ageism, na. She says that there's a bit in Masaba Masaba where you're talking about. Oh, okay, say. You spoke about that ageism, that how as you age you don't get work and all that, and then of course it worked out really well because suddenly you got so much work because you were so honest and candid. So she became a big fan of that. She's saying today she's 50 and work is drying up and there's not much work, so she loves that. And so you got a lot
Okay.
of fans, yeah, Nina. You have no idea sometimes how far-reaching. It's not just people who watch the show; it's for who you are and what you stand for. Oh, and my wife is hard to please. Trust me, yaar. You can see this. I look 70. If I was unmarried,
Why haven't you shaved today? Because you
we
were
do that.
meeting an oldie. You were meeting an oldie. That's why you didn't shave today, na?
You can say what you want. I am so fond of you, and me and my wife both absolutely respect you. There'll be no change. You can say what you want. I'm not going to fight.
Okay.
Huh. So yeah, no, my wife went out of the way to tell me this. Please tell her, she's very inspirational. So I want to just tell you that and then get it off the. I think for a lot of women in India, Nina Gupta, I'm going back to 90s for my zamana and all. What, not just your talent and your beautiful looks and everything else, but I think just who you are. You've always just been, I mean, just a fantastic personality of, this is me, take it or leave it. And I think that's just a fabulous statement in the country and in the world. It's beyond nation boundaries, the fact that you are that. Okay, if I praise you more, you'll leave the show, so I'm not going to praise you more. Let's get on with this. Is to talk mostly about the book, of course, and then a little bit about your life if we can. तो पहली बात है, सच कहूं तो it sounds almost like a threat, the title. uh, it's very nice. So do tell us, what is the book all about? Is it the inside story? Is it more than that? Is it your... Please go ahead.
Actually, it is not a planned book that I'm going to write this, I'm not going to write that. It's just in the lockdown, I was here in my Mukteshwar house and I started writing. I was planning to write it many a time, 10, 15 years ago, but it never happened. And it just flowed. And whatever I was comfortable with, I wrote. Whatever I was not comfortable with, I did not write. Sorry. 1 second.
Nina, I told you, you're a top guest. You take the phone, no problem. Behave like an influential VIP in the country sometimes. Come on. Huh.
So it just flowed. I wrote about from my childhood to now, at present. And then after writing it, I felt very good that I was expecting that now people would know the real me. That was one very major reason, because people have talked so much rubbish about me, the press, people, that I was so tired. And I thought maybe now they will know a bit about me, who I am really. So I think that was the reason, and that's it.
So I know in 15-20 minutes you cannot take a whole life, and a life like yours, which is like many lives in one. But let's get a little glimpse so that people understand what the book is about. So let's, bachpan ki yaad hai, so obviously, is it, the research I've got, I don't know how true it is. You were in Lawrence School, Sanawar. Is that the beginning?
No, it's wrong.
It's a wrong Google.
That is my husband. So, not
Unbelievable.
I was.
Don't worry, the
Delhi.
money will be deducted from our producer. Huh.
Yeah, very bad. शुरुआत ही गलत किया आपने.
Exactly. पहला कदम कमजोर कड़ी कौन? That's me now.
I was just writing. So I'm rewriting the book. I am doing the Hindi book. So when I told them, the Penguin people had their translator, and it was actually doing the literal translation, which was not very good. So I keep the book chapter by chapter. I do the voice message, and then they transcribe. So actually, I'm writing it again. I'm not kind of, if one line is like that, I will say the same thing. I'm adding, I'm minusing. So I'm writing it again. And just now I finished doing Kamzor Kari Kaun chapter.
Hey, you won't remember, you did a VJ special episode. Usme MTV or Channel V ke sare VJs, I think 6-7 of us were there. I'm trying to remember again, many years ago. And usme, I think first you gave us a lecture saying, obviously you guys are Hindi will be very weak. And I think Gaurav Kapoor or the others started speaking like Delhiwalas for 5 minutes. You were most impressed. And then after we impressed you, I got out in the first or second round. I was so upset because the questions काफी तकलीफ, I mean, मुश्किल questions भी था.
Okay.
You set us up with easy questions off camera, and then the real question was, I can't remember the question. It was quite tough, but it was great fun. And you had that same avatar as the English lady whose name I forget, of being without smiling and all that. It was great fun. Now that you just mentioned it, did you enjoy that?
I really enjoyed that because it was a big challenge. I rehearsed for 1 month, and after 1 month, I used to have a major problem in my head. Like I used to get breathless and things like that. I got my MRI done. कि मेरे brain में
Huh?
तो नहीं कुछ हो गया. So because I had to be exactly like her, it was a licensed program. So
Uh-huh.
so I when I was rehearsing, I was speaking so much that there was nothing wrong with me, but it was too much stress, and that's why I was मेरा सर घूमता था. So I still remember.
ये भी एक्टिंग जॉब की साइड से भी ले सकते हैं बिकॉज यू वर परफॉर्मिंग लाइक यू हैव टू बी हर बट इन हिंदी इट वाज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट एम आई राइट and all the
Yeah.
mannerisms and all because seeing you on screen where you played so many different characters you're so much alive so much more enthusiastic the normal portrayal is so energetic rather that's the right word energetic and here you were going completely the opposite way you were trying to be cold almost
Yeah.
unfriendly of course when the camera dropped you were friendly so in a way it was a reality show but it's an acting job
Yeah, absolutely.
but a refreshing change also from just the scripts and the TV shows you were doing at the same time.
Yeah. And a lot of money I got, so it was good.
The actual title is Sach Kehna Hai. Okay, fine. Sorry, I interrupted you. So let's go back. So, bachpan mein, this is how your book opens. Tell us about the early childhood, little bit.
My early childhood, I was living in Raigarpura. There was a professor who used to be teaching private classes, Professor Arora, and he used to be a matchmaker also. So if you went towards north by train or by buses, like we used to go to Nainital and things like that, walls, it was always written like कोल से रिश्ते ही रिश्ते मिल तो ले प्रोफेसर अरोरा गली नंबर 1 रैगरपुरा. तो ये लिखा होता था and my house was next to him, just next. We had a 50 meter house ऊपर नीचे. And so we used to be very happy because जब रिश्ते होते थे मिठाई आती थी तो अकेला कितनी मिठाई खाएगा from the girl side, boy side. So we used to get mithai whenever. So we used to get very happy. So I have started from there, from this. And then about my childhood, about how we changed our houses. And I was in a Bengali school and things like that. I've started from there. Then I have come to my college school.
Where was college?
Then college was Janki Devi Mahavidyalay. I have written Bhanji. It was called a Bhanji college because it was not that Miranda House and LSR type. And I wanted to go to LSR or Miranda House, but my mother was like Gandhian type, and she said no. इस तरह के जो कॉलेज होते हैं उसमें पढ़ाई अच्छी नहीं होती है, बहुत फैशनेबल होते हैं, मैथ्स और हिंदी अच्छा नहीं होता है. So I was put in a college near my house where I could walk, so that my mother used to say ke so that she can keep an eye on me, like I won't go to the university.
और वहाँ पे fashionable allowed नहीं है, वहाँ पे fashionable allowed नहीं.
वहाँ पे जो लोग आते थे वो फैशन नहीं, वो सलवार कमीज होते थे.
Superb, यार.
हाँ, तो मुझे डाल दिया and then मैं तो फैशनेबल थी, तो मैं स्पेगेटी स्ट्रैप पहन के जाती थी या कुछ, तो people used to think
No way.
she's a bad girl. I was very like, I had a very good body and I was very fashionable, but I did not know that I was good, thank God. So then
मम्मी मना नहीं किया? मम्मी की बात है ना
मना
कि फैशनेबल कॉलेज पे जाना मना है.
So मेरे जो साथ में लड़कियां थी मेरे मोहल्ले की, so we all used to go together. So what I used to do, like I used to wear a bell bottom and a long shirt. Then after I got up from the house, I tuck it in, and sometimes I'll wear a like dupatta and then put it in my bag later on. So that's how I used to manage.
Neena Gupta, believe me, there are girls across the country who have done the same modus operandi. I can tell you.
Yeah.
I have a very liberal home growing up. I come from mixed communities. So a lot of the girls from my college would come to my house where my mom was very cool and would change into these tube tops for the parties and all. And they would come in salwar kameez or very conservative clothes, change and then change back late night and go back home. It's such a joke that it still goes on years later.
So I've talked about all that, and then one chapter is called Ladki Bigad Gayi. So I used to tell my mother kya hua. Then I went to for my MA. I had to go to the university, Delhi University. So then I have written that I used to tell my mother actually कि तुमने ऐसे भैंजी कॉलेज में भेजा फिर भी लड़की तो बिगड़ गई, अब क्या कर सकते हो. So like that I have written Lallu Ladki, Bhanji, those kind of titles I have given. So my whole journey college, school of drama, then coming to
So
Bombay.
School of Drama was after Delhi University.
Yeah, so I actually did my MPhil and School of Drama together. I was not supposed to do, but I did it. I was doing, actually, I had given my fee also for my PhD. My topic was stage techniques in Sanskrit drama, theory and practice. So I was planning to do my PhD and combine my theater training and my Sanskrit together, etc., etc. And I didn't get a good guide, so I lost interest in my PhD. And so whilst I was doing my MPhil, I went to School of Drama.
Okay, I think we should still say Dr. Neena Gupta. You've done enough with your life to warrant the doctor, because it's a doctorate of philosophy anyway, right? And your philosophy has been, it's separate from your life, and it's fantastic.
Yeah.
So we will be calling you Dr. Neena Gupta from now on. But let's now fast forward a little bit. So NSD ke baad, and considering you have this, I've gone to a Benji college and against fashion and very upright upbringing. Then how were you allowed to become an actress? Which I'm just thinking conservative India back in those days. Parents and family were okay with the fact that you're studying drama. Sanskrit stagecraft PhD is one thing, I understand that, but actual drama and performing as an actress.
So yeah. So my mother was very much against. She wanted me to become an IAS officer. She wanted me to pursue that. But as soon as I passed out, I got a film called Adharshila, and which was never released, but nobody saw it. So there I saw myself on the big screen, and then I said, "Wow, this is amazing." Then I told my mother. So my mother was very angry because she was herself double MA in Sanskrit and political science in her times.
Wow. Huh.
And so she was against it, but I was very adamant. So then I went against their wishes, and I went. But my parents, whatever you may say, I think all the parents, they get angry, everything, but then they succumb to
Come
you.
around.
Because
But did they see the picture? वो पहली picture family देखे हैं या? And didn't that help? Didn't they say wow, or that must have played some role. They must have said something nice after seeing their daughter on screen.
So what happened in my mother was such that I don't know how to swim or how to drive, because my mother never let me go to a pool because वहाँ लड़के होते. हाँ. So in my first film, I had to wear a swimsuit on a bicycle, and I did not know. फिर मेरे डायरेक्टर ने अपनी गली में पीछे मुझे एक एक्टर था, वो मुझे सिखाता था साइकिल चलाना. Say.
Neena, sorry to interrupt. I want to know what kind of story was there that demands the ladies on a swimsuit on a bicycle.
Okay, so this story was Naseeruddin Shah doing the main part, making a film in a film.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
So then I have also written that my mother used to go, my mom and dad, they used to go to American embassy जब उनके sales होते थे ना, जो expat छोड़ के जाते थे सामान.
Correct.
And my mother used to get very sexy, nice clothes for me, but she don't want me to wear them, but she will bring them. So she had once got a very nice swimsuit, and तो मैंने वो पहना. So I was very awkward. First time swimsuit and first time cycling. So then I had a song with Raja Bundela also in that film. अभी मैंने डाला था इंस्टा पे, मुझे किसी ने भेजा. So after that they didn't say anything because they were very upset कि मैं swimsuit भी पहन रही हूँ और वो सब. कुछ बोले नहीं.
Okay, so we established that you got a taste of acting in a proper film with Naseeruddin Shah already established at that point, and then before you hit the big time and all these awards came your way, and then there's a lot of path-breaking moments. But did you move to Mumbai? What was the next step?
So after Adharshila, we got, all of us theatre actors got roles in Gandhi.
Right.
And so with that money,
you played the niece.
I played the niece, yeah, the walking stick, Abba Ben.
Yeah. I remember. Kitna baar picture dekhe hai. Can you imagine Sholay? It's like serious Sholay. We have seen it thanks to television 200 times plus in the cinema.
Yeah.
So what was that experience like?
It was great because everything was so different than Adharshila. It was a big Hollywood film, and the role was small, but I became very good friends with Ben Kingsley actually, and he was a great guy, and we had so much fun shooting. And I flew to Bombay with my bag and baggage with the team of Gandhi. They were all shifting, coming to Bombay. The shoot was over. They had to shoot in Pune, Bombay, and some other places nearby. And I also had some role in Bombay schedule. So I came with them, and I came with my boyfriend at that time, whose name I have changed in the book, and how I came because of him, because I was too scared to come alone, and how he kept on cheating on me and la 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 la.
But why did you change the name?
So the lawyers at Penguin said that you have to change the name
No, the
because
title explains it. Such kahu to. Correct. Fair enough.
also I have written in the preface that I didn't want to hurt the children of those people or the
Correct. Fair enough.
grandchildren
You're
because
too nice. You're from another zamana.
always the best. Na? Can never do any mistake.
Correct.
हाँ,
Yeah.
so I didn't want to hurt them. कि देखो मेरा बाप ऐसा था, you know.
So, but it was a difficult time. You started, you came to Bombay. It's a whole new city. You don't know anyone, and then you have this guy who lets you down. And then how does your career shape up?
उस वक्त तो कुछ था नहीं. Only films were there, so I was doing like small parts. I've written about some parts, very funny, and then I got Khandan. Then satellite TV came.
Khandan. How could I forget?
Yeah.
But Neha, do you realize? Were you able to realize? I don't know if you all, as actors, realized that there were only 2-3 shows, and Khandan was so big, for example, that again, my generation, it's impossible to not know the actors. It's just impossible. It's like cricketers of today, because there were only so many actors, there were only so many shows.
Yeah.
As again,
Yeah.
today, both log hai, crowded field hai, so it's possible you
Yeah.
don't know people. But
Yeah.
did you know that you had become a household name? When did you know that? Like everybody knows who you are. Your face is recognized across the country.
I knew, but the problem was that I was famous, and it was like a weekly show. So I used to get like 4,000 to 5,000 rupees a month. So I had to still travel by train or buses. So people used to recognize me, but I didn't have a car. So I think during Khandan only I bought my first Fiat for 25,000 rupees. I remember a green color Fiat. And because it was difficult to travel by trains and buses because of Khandan. So.
And plus, they must be asking you, "Aap yahan pe?" They'll be quite stunned that someone they see on TV and as a big celebrity is traveling by train. Was it a top gear car or was it a ground gear car?
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, मुझे तो चलानी आती नहीं, तो ड्राइवर रखा.
फिर ड्राइवर तो और खर्च.
ड्राइवर था.
Neena Gupta, this is wrong thinking. You would have saved 20% immediately. No need for driver.
No, yeah, but
Fabulous.
I'm a very scared type of. अच्छा, by the way, 1 second. आप पढ़ लेना मेरा book, है ना?
Huh? I have to get the book. They've not sent the copy.
You can't buy.
Oh, I'll buy. I'm so sorry, Neena. I told you're our favorite. We will not oppose anything you say. You are now like Kim Jong-un ka character in North Korea. You can do what you want.
नहीं,
All accepted.
मैं भेज भी दूंगी. मैं भेज दूंगी.
No, I will buy it. No, you don't understand. We really like you. You're highly likable and in a real way. Because like my wife is a hardcore feminist. She's an alpha. She runs the world around us. My mother's also alpha. I say this all the time. So you must understand that you play a very important role because you are their role model. They like I had to use the word, but the ballsiness, if I might use that word, that you have lived your life and you've never bothered over anybody else. And so you do not understand that respect is much more than acting respect because they believe in who you are.
So then it is very important that they should write. They should.
No, I will definitely get them to read the book. 100%. And let me tell you, I don't know if you're aware, but lots of women across the country look up to you because of that, because of who you are. And of course, you're a great actress as well. It's not that, please, let's not take away from that. But there's so many things. I mean, you won so many awards also. Suddenly, I think it went into Top Gear. TV became really big. Maybe early 90s. Maybe I'm getting the time wrong. But it suddenly became really big. And I think it's fair to say you were the biggest name on television. It's really fair to say that.
Yeah. At one time, I was producing, directing. And because of SAAS, I became very popular.
Second huge show, correct? Immediately. Which ran forever, by the way. I don't know how many generations. And but you've also done a lot of other films like In Custody. We call them parallel cinema. I don't know what to call them. Cotton Mary, films like that. You managed to do everything at the same time. You're doing some commercial films, what we called parallel cinema at that time. Television, of course, you were top of the line, running it completely, and nobody knew how popular television was becoming. And you were doing theater. Because I remember Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, one of the biggest runs ever in the history of
Yeah,
theater. And
yeah,
that was at the
yeah,
height of your career that you could find time to do it. It was not like when you were beginning.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I want to ask you that, because who, except for Nasir, I can't think of anyone else. To some extent, Anupam Kher, but you're the only person I think who was able to do all the mediums. They weren't doing television so much at that point. So you were literally in all the mediums. So did you realize that you were doing that, or it just happened?
Actually, I have this problem, or maybe it's a good thing that I never realize. I can't see myself कि मैं क्या चीज हूँ. तो वो मुझे दूसरों को जो मैं दिखती हूँ, मैं अपने आप को नहीं देख सकती.
Which is a good thing, I think, in a sense,
Which
because
is
otherwise, जो myth है, जो legend है, you start believing it, which is not perhaps the right thing. What
yeah,
you
yeah,
are is
yeah,
good for
yeah,
others.
yeah,
Yeah, fair enough.
yeah. So no, but so what happened, which I have written in my book a lot. TV, I did many kinds of role. I was very happy, good money, everything, lot of hard work. But that one break which I needed in a film, I never got till Badhayu happened. So आर्ट फिल्म वालों ने भी मुझे साइड रोल दिया. अब मैं साइड ही बोलती हूँ उसको, चाहे कुछ भी बोलो, सपोर्टिंग साइड. किसी ने मुझे मेन रोल नहीं दिया. किसी ने मुझे एक्चुअली पहला मेरा लीड रोल सरदार का ग्रैंडसन है, जिसमें मेरा नाम टाइटल में है. इट वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर मी. I was so there is a very nice chapter called Lallu Ladki in my book where I did Saath Saath, and from there Kana told me on the premiere day that तू अब कभी हीरोइन नहीं बनेगी, तूने कॉमेडी का रोल कर दिया, वो भी लड़की का.
Oh,
And that's what happened. That's a fact.
you believe that?
आप देखो, no, it happens. Mahmood was such a good looking guy. If you think about it, great actor. कॉमेडी के बाद मिला उसको लीड. कोई भी
मगर इतना सक्सेस मिला उस लाइन में, इसलिए ना समटाइम्स उस सक्सेस का प्रॉब्लम था.
तो सक्सेस अगर मिला, that means you're a good actor, that means you can do other parts also, no?
No, it is like the Lalita ji ka character Surf ad mein, that model apparently never got any other modeling work because it became because she was so good at it and so accepted.
अरुणा ईरानी को मिला कोई हीरोइन.
हाँ.
So comedy तो लड़की को तो करनी ही नहीं चाहिए. That's Girish said you have killed yourself, which is what happened. Till Badayo happened. TV was different, but film में nothing.
But still, you got you call them side roles, but you got best supporting actress for Wo Chokri, which is in the 90s sometime, you know.
But किसने देखी? किसने?
And that's the second biggest award after
National award. But किसने देखी? देखी नहीं.
वो भी सही है, but I'm just thinking it also counts now. The national award is national award. Filmfare Critic Award for Best Actress.
It counts
Award
for you.
Neena ji, I can't hear you suddenly. I think the moment we've got into
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. So Best Supporting Actress, and
then I got from SANS, I got many awards. You can't hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Sorry. Yeah.
So it's a very nice thing. Mahesh Bhatt once told me कि award मिलने से काम नहीं मिलता. मेरा है कि मेरे को और काम मिले, है ना? Award मिल गया पर काम तो नहीं मिला.
But is that true? But
yeah, it's true.
I don't know अगर वो actually सच है, because there's so many guys. I mean, lobby भी करते हैं awards के लिए. Popular actors, actresses lobby बहुत करते हैं, मिलते हैं. I mean, I remember anchoring shows where they're telling us to change the name also because the guy is not coming last minute. So
yeah.
So in that sense, I don't know. I think all the popular. Neena, I can't hear you. It's frozen. Now it's come back. I'm
saying that अच्छा लगता है अवार्ड मिलने से. मैं तो हर अवार्ड फंक्शन में जाती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे सम्मान दे रहे हैं तो जाना चाहिए. लेकिन काम नहीं मिलता.
So no correlation with winning and earning money and getting great work is what you're saying. We'll take a quick break and bring Silvery in. Neena, please stay with us. I know you have got to go in 15-20 minutes, so we want to get the AMAs, all your fans asking questions. The book, of course, we have to talk about the book throughout the show. Sach Kahun To, which is open story, Silvery by Neena Gupta, but it's also, she's not belittled anybody on the way. She's hidden their names and protected them. And my family is very fond of us, so we'll be very careful.
This is the book.
Neena, can I tell you one more thing? You're one of the most beautiful women. I hope I don't come across as a creep that India has ever seen. I feel personally, growing up in the 90s. And if they did not use you in the lead in Bollywood, then it's the failure of Bollywood. Let me tell you that. And I'm speaking of all my generation growing up. Let me tell you, frankly.
Okay.
God, I'm sounding like Arnab, but liberal order. It's so difficult to understand so many things in the tech world, like artificial intelligence. What is that? It just sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Good. Luckily, though, Intel's digital readiness program empowers everyone with skill sets, mindsets, and tool sets to use in an AI-fueled world, so you don't end up like me. Okay, as part of the Intel for Youth program, Intel's been working with the CBSE, Ministry of Education, and the Government of India. 3 biggies to empower today's youth to build social impact solutions while demystifying what AI is. How do you take advantage of this? Your question to me, I will answer it. Purchase an Intel Core powered PC and you get free access to 80 plus hours of immersive and hands-on training about AI. On completion of the program, along with a certificate, you get access to AI toolsets to try to put what you learn to good use. Now, very important, don't wait. Log on to futurebanawonderful.intel.com. Future Banav Wonderful by bringing home an Intel powered PC today. Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me.
Yep, AMS. Ma'am, I have a question before that. Ma'am, what was it like working with Anupam Kher and Rakesh Bedi on Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha? I have actually studied under both of them, so it's like a little bit of a cool thing for me.
1,80,000 एक में और 1,20,000 दूसरा. So he could have got a medical degree and been a doctor. Now he's doing a podcast.
What is this figure?
It's total 3 lakhs. 1,80,000 for Anupam Kher's acting.
Yeah, those are like the fees for Anupam Kher's acting.
And 1,20,000 from Rakesh Bedi's classes for acting. वो भी 3-4 महीना की बात है उसमें. It's not like it was a 4-year curriculum. So 3 lakh he would have got a medical seat in Delhi or Mumbai, wherever. चलो ठीक है.
नहीं, so Rakesh Bedi has written this also. It's a very nicely written play and also a very commercial play. कुछ एक हमारे देश की लड़कियां, एक्ट्रेसेस और एक्टर्स की वाइव्स, कुछ एक जो देखने आई, वो तो इंटरवल में उठ के चली गई क्योंकि वो बहुत कम, पर बाकी तो बहुत बड़ा हिट था. हमने 1.5 महीना अमेरिका में 24 शोज किए, हर एक शो हाउसफुल था. तो शुरुआत में मैं थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक कर रही थी, फिर मेरे को राकेश ने समझाया कि इसमें ना एक सुर ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा और आई प्ले अ डबल रोल. सो ऐसे कर करके कई जगह वो बिल्कुल स्पूफ हो जाता है, रियल नहीं रहता, अगले सेकंड रियल हो जाता है, विच वाज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू डू एज एन एक्टर. बट कुछ सूडो टाइप लोगों को वो नहीं पसंद आया कि ये क्या वाहियात पना है. जैसे कुछ मजाक भी होते थे, कुछ चीप मजाक भी होते थे, कुछ बहुत सीरियस बात भी होती थी, पर वो कुछ बाकी लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया. और हमेशा हर शो एक चैलेंज होता था. ये नहीं कि मैंने 200 कर लिए तो अब मैं रिलैक्स्ड हूँ. मैं और अनुपम अगर टाउन जाना है, जूहू में रहते हैं, तो गाड़ी में पूरे लाइनें करते हुए जाते थे एक ही गाड़ी में, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो इट वाज ग्रेट फन. एंड सब थिएटर के है ना, तो बड़ा इजी है रिलेशनशिप, कोई टेंशन का मामला नहीं है.
Ma'am, I think it became one of the highest grossing plays India has ever produced, if I'm not wrong, or like at least one of the most successful ones.
At the time, it was the highest
grossing.
It was the highest grossing.
That is amazing.
ये मुझे नहीं पता, but
okay.
Because in India they don't translate, the producer's paisa doesn't translate to the actors. Remember that, they just get the fee.
No. I was getting my fee per show. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. वो system नहीं है. But anyway, shall we get into the AMAs?
AMAs, yes, please. The first one comes in from Gayatri Chawla. She says, "Hello, Cyrus and Neena, ma'am. Cyrus, huge fan of the podcast. I don't think I've missed a single episode in this entire pandemic. Neena, ma'am, huge fan of your work. My question is, you've been able to transition from Indian TV to movies and go back and forth in a very seamless way and have been successful in all of it. What advice would you give to young actors trying to make that shift themselves?"
इसका तो 1 घंटे ज़्यादा का आंसर है. I think I have written a lot. I have written a lot in my book so that the younger people, I have told them about my mistakes, so that they know what mistakes I did, so maybe they won't do. I don't know. So ये बहुत easy नहीं था जहाँ मैं आज पहुंची हूँ. मैं 60 साल में पहुंची हूँ यहाँ, और मैं हमेशा I feel it is my mistake because of which I took so long, because I made a lot of mistakes. And the most important thing is I have talked about is self-esteem. You always should have a self-esteem, whether it's your relationship or work. If you know you are capable, then you are. You should know and tell people. कोई छुपाने की बात नहीं है. You have to say I'm good. So
It's
I think
also
you should
wrong.
read the book. You'll come to know a lot. How I missed out on roles because of one stupid call I didn't make. Things like that. I've written
Also,
a lot about that.
maybe Nina was also ahead of her times. I think in the fact that she's so straightforward, honest, upfront. These are not characteristics you'll see in Bollywood when we were growing up, at least for sure. Everybody had the acting was both on screen as well as off screen with how you deal with people and all that. And she was not, in that sense, she was very westernized. And, the attitude was very straight up. And I think that's why a lot of women in India have, her whole style has resonated with them because it's a new breed of women in India who are more aggressive, straightforward, confident, and now not depending on anybody left, right, or center. So I think, and for that, maybe she lost out on roles, but she is Neena Gupta today. So we should appreciate that what happened is also good in a sense. It may not have been great for her as a Bollywood actress, but everything else in every other way it has been great, and definitely as a role model. So Neena, I think this is all positive. There's nothing negative here to worry about.
अच्छा, before I forget, मैं तो भूल गई. I'm a big fan of you, Cyrus. I love your shows. I love your shows. एक वो है ना जिसमें दूसरा आपके साथ आता है, वो क्या नाम है?
वो मोटा, उसका नाम है कुणाल. Please don't mention. For every Anupam Kher, there's a Rakesh Bedi. It's like that.
I love your shows. Yeah. Anyway.
Neena Gupta, National Award winner, supporting actress award winner, was conquered theater, television, screen in different languages. And now, don't compare with my little show which nobody watches. But thank you so much for that. I will be gracious. Silvery, aur kya hai? Next question.
All right. Next one comes in from Roop Lalchandani. Says, hi, Cyrus and Neena ma'am. You've both done tons of ads for various products over your careers. Are there any that stand out? It could be because of the message of the commercial or your co-actors on it, or perhaps the folks working behind the camera. What would love to hear what the ad was and what stood out to you?
So my first claim to fame was an ad which Prahlad Kakkad gave me because I was 1000 rupiya mila tha, paise nahi the, was Hawkins. Okay.
Pressure cooker.
So this was Hawkins pressure cooker where I sing and dance. And that became such a big hit. अभी मैं कोई interview दे रही थी, बोला गा के सुना, ऐसे पागल हो गया. And kids used to do that as an item in their like annual day function in their schools. They used to, where I used to have this khana and I used to move around, I used to dance. That became such a big hit. Long time back, I think. Yeah.
I don't want to be one of those Hamare Zamane ka people, who start Hamare Zamane mein. But I can't tell you, the moment Neena was discussing it, the memory of what she's saying is true. The 5-6 iconic ads of our generation, what we were watching growing up, they all became played in colleges also. They became all part of the folk culture, which I don't know if it happens today, but ads were so big. Of course, the Hawkins style ads, not every ad made it, but those that made it, they remain in our mind forever, like a good film. And that again, there were less ads. Maybe I don't know what the reason is for that, but it's very clear. You said it, the whole memory came back to me, including the song. Yeah, amazing, the power. And it's not that all the ads were great. It's just that some of them clicked for some reason. Yeah. I think I did a Chandrika soap ad when they wanted to try some. Chandrika soap is for middle class South Indian women. That is the market. They came and briefed me. So I said,
I also used to use.
But they wanted me to be the face of Chandrika soap. And they said this guy had come from Wharton Business School or something. He said, I want to try something different. They've had like Hema Malini types and all that, and Neena Gupta and all that. So let's go for something against that. Let's go for an MTV guy, male. So then they got me, and I'm having a shower and all, and you got to see the ad. Anyway, they went back to Neena Gupta and Hema Malini immediately after that one off. But it was but you got to give the guy, if you don't try, nothing happens in life, So in a way, you got to respect that guy who had that idea. Even I was like, why? Really? I mean, they don't even watch MTV, the market, it's got nothing. But he just liked the idea of doing something offbeat. So again, maybe ahead of his times. Maybe it would have worked later. Yeah, chalo.
So I've also acted in a few ads, if I can just quickly say this. I remember once about 2 years back, I had reached the set for an ad shoot. It was for, I won't say the product because the first line of the script read, this is the first time reading. So you reach the set, they hand you the script, right? And the first line of the script read, Varun Bhatnagar, that's a character's name. Varun Bhatnagar, 25 years old, average looking. And I was like, oh man, they got me.
How they motivate actors, yaar.
Yeah.
Really.
All right.
So nice.
Next one. Next one comes in from Viraj Bhatt. He says, "Hi Cyrus and Nina, ma'am. I'm a regular listener of Cyrus says from Melbourne. Okay, wow. Miss Nina, I wanted to ask, in your long and illustrious career, who have been some of your favorite co-actors to work with?
My God.
मेरा पहला जो सबसे थे खानदान में भी थे, बट कंवलजीत सास में मेरा सबसे फेवरेट एक्टर था. और हमारा कुछ ऐसा था कि एक तो हिंदी आती थी दोनों को, और स्क्रिप्ट मिलती थी, ऐसे देख लेते थे, और फिर उसके बाद अब कर लेते थे. कोई लाइनें याद करने की भी जरूरत नहीं होती थी. इतना अच्छा हमारा तालमेल था.
Wow.
उसके बाद तो खैर मैंने बहुत लोगों के साथ काम किया. अभी गजराज जी के साथ काम किया, गजराज राव के साथ,
Yes.
which was also amazing. Although we didn't know each other, he's a very different kind of person. But काफी अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम किया मैंने. और के साथ मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा अभी. याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे.
Who's the worst actor?
But-
Who's the worst actor you worked with?
आयुष्मान very good. आयुष्मान is very good. शुभ मंगल में मैंने किया, जीतू, मानवी, बहुत लोगों के साथ, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम किया मैंने. हाँ, what were you saying?
I was saying, who's the worst?
Who's the Sarila? Oh, I have the worst. I can't take his name. जिसके साथ
Number.
Oh wow.
I did a wife's role, but we were not talking to each other otherwise. बहुत गंदा बंदा, नाम नहीं ले सकती.
Okay, so now we have to go back and check where Mama's played a wife's role.
Ganda personality or Ganda as in personality or on the
In a TV series, and good-looking guy.
नहीं physically गंदा या personality?
दोनों. मतलब एक बार मैं एक कुछ कर रही, not series, something I was doing, and I reached there, and we had to wait for 3 hours because he hadn't come. बाद में पता चला he had come, but he was in his makeup room with someone.
Practicing
That
for the
way.
marital role. अच्छा.
मैरिटल के लिए तो कहाँ प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है. Anyway,
वो सही बात
so
Suddenly you won't understand. You're a bachelor.
Okay, sure.
and otherwise also very rude and very good looking chap, good actor also. अब आप guess करते रहो.
Good looking guy playing the husband. Quickly Google. We have to figure this out. कौन है?
Okay. In the meantime, I will ask the next question. This one comes in. This one, the name is not given. The initials are SP. So SP asks, "Hi Nina ma'am and Cyrus. Ma'am, I loved you in Masaba. She says, also in love with everything Masaba does. How does it feel to be a part of a TV show based on your daughter's life? And will we be seeing more of you in the next season?"
Yeah, I've just finished shooting for the season 2. Just finished and came here like last week. And it is very nice because, you see, I used to think, oh God, either she will get nervous or I'll get nervous when we work together, because it is a difficult thing. But I realized she's so professional. I'm professional. So on the set, we were like this, actors, mother and daughter actors. In fact, I had always told her not to become an actor, and I gave her the reasons also that, you look like this, so you might not get this. Then when I saw the rushes of Masaba Part 1, I couldn't believe that she's so good. I couldn't. And I came home and I said sorry to her. I said, I'm sorry that I stopped you to become an actor. And she's very good. I couldn't believe it.
But
I'm her biggest critic. And she couldn't believe, because मैं हमेशा उसको criticize ही करती हूँ हर चीज में. ये मत खाओ, ये मत पहनो, ये मत करो, like a mother. But this though, I had to accept.
is she as good as Neena Gupta?
Better than me.
Nah, really?
A few more projects, she'll be better than me.
Wow, that's saying something. Let's see. Let's not put pressure on her. But
Yeah. नहीं तो मैं कभी नहीं कहती, क्योंकि मुसाबा को ये शिकायत रहती है कि बाकी मम्मियाँ अपने बच्चों की इतनी प्रशंसा करती है, तुम सिर्फ मेरी बुराइयां करती रहती हो.
But really, it's true. Normally, parents only say nice things.
हाँ.
Especially in public.
हाँ, in public, na. So this is the first good thing I've said. So she was very happy, and she just, thank God, mom. कुछ तो मेरे बारे में अच्छा बोला.
But I think it's great parenting because you have prepared her for anyone to say anything negative. She'll just say, "Mummy तो कह दिया ना, इसमें क्या है?" Because you've already heard it. It's no big deal, right? So in a way, it's toughening her up.
And both of us have this gift that we can both laugh at ourselves, which is very nice.
which let me tell you doesn't happen in India too often. हाँ,
it doesn't.
वो नहीं है, अपना DNA में नहीं है ये, laugh at yourself,
हाँ,
enjoy your own
नहीं,
failures, enjoy your mistakes and
if
accidents. हाँ,
if I say कि अरे क्या यार तूने पहन लिया, ये तो ऐसा कुछ ऐसा word बोलूंगी, ऐसा लग रहा है, then she will look at herself, she says really, oh shit, and then we will laugh. You know what I mean? No offense के ऐसा है, we can laugh at ourselves. Yeah.
the value of honesty. Sometimes I think, especially with civilization and money, we just remove honesty. We can't even talk
Yeah.
directly to our parents, to our kids, to our family members, to our friends. I'm the only guy who insults everybody anymore. Nobody says bad things. It's terrible. I mean, except politicians, of course. That's another story altogether. Chalo, can you squeeze one more in?
Yes, sure. This one comes in from Drishti Kapadia. She says, "Hi Cyrus and dear Nina ma'am. Big fan of the show. I love it when you have actors on and they speak about the industry. Question for Nina ma'am. Who are some actors or directors who it would be your dream to work with? Even wildest dreams are fine." No, so I think like, it can be like,
matlab,
could be
outside
there,
India,
I think.
or even dead.
Could be, yeah.
Is there, Nina, is there some director that you feel you'd, anyway, international Indian, jo bhi hai, dead from the 80s, 70s, 90s, that you felt would have done justice to you?
I would have loved to work with Guru Dutt.
That far back.
I wish I was born in that era. Guru Dutt. I wish I could have worked with Devanand, Wahida Rahman, Meena Kumari. I wish I could have worked with Satyajit Ray. I worked with his son, but not him. Of course, I worked with Shyam Benegal. But yeah, Guru Dutt is my like, oof. It's like, oof.
Why do we feel so romantic when we hear these names? That the genre or era is so romantic. You know, the 50s, the 60s, the 70s also to some extent. For some reason, is this just...
It was different times. Everything was subtle. Everything was beautiful. You know?
Can I confess? Sorry, go on. No, when I see old black and white Hindi films and all that, and I see, you know, Premier Padmini Gadi, empty Marine Drive, yeah, Worli Sea Face, I don't know, it just makes me happy.
Yeah.
It just looks like a beautiful Bombay, a happy Bombay, you know, less crowded, less angry. I don't know, maybe I'm reading too much into it, but it just, and sometimes I think I'm just mentally sick, like clinging to some past, looking at all these things. And
No, Cyrus, I feel abhi bahut kuch, what do you call it in English? Upar ka hai. Uthla hai.
Cover, yeah.
डेप्थ नहीं है, गाने आपके देख लो, उनकी लाइन सुन लो. मैं तो कितने लोगों को सुनाती हूँ, क्योंकि जब हम बचपन में गाने सुनते थे, गाते थे, फिल्मों के वर्ड्स पे ध्यान नहीं देते थे. मैं अभी एक चीजें बताती हूँ, पीपल आर शॉक, ओ शिट, वी नेवर हर्ड द वर्ड्स, यू नो. इट्स अमेजिंग. वो गहराई नहीं, वो कुछ नहीं. मैं आपको बताती हूँ, पता नहीं बता सकती हूँ टाइम है कि नहीं. एक है ना, हम तेरे प्यार में आलम खो बैठे, तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ. ओके, सो द वर्ड्स आर, अंतरिका, पंछी से छुड़ाकर उसका घर तुम अपने घर में ले आए. ये लेडी गा रही है. ये प्यार का पिंजरा मन भाया, हम जी भर भर के मुस्काए. आगे सुनो. जब प्यार हुआ इस पिंजरे से, तुम कहने लगे आजाद रहो. समझे आप? तो नहीं समझे?
Yeah, I'm in that same cage and I'm also in love with it. It's called marriage. क्या करूं? Again, maybe we are being nostalgic, but sometimes I just feel that there's more.
No, look at the words.
Romance,
look at
meaning.
The poetry. जब प्यार हुआ उस पिंजरे से, तुम कहने लगे आप जाओ, आजाद रहो. You know, things like बिजली क्यों, वो पूछते हैं काहे घटा में बिजली चमके, तो वो कहता है हो सकता है मेघराज ने, मतलब बादल ने, हो सकता है मेघराज ने बदरिया का श्याम माने श्याम रंग का, सांवरा होता है ना बादल, हो सकता है मेघराज ने बादरिया का श्याम मुख चूम लिया हो, इसलिए बिजली चमकती है.
Don't mention Bijli in Pawai because he has breakdowns all the time, bichara. I think it'll upset him. It goes off. But I know we are joking about it, but I think, Nina, I don't know, Silvery, if you have the same feeling, but there's just a romance to older times, whether it's the words, the movies, the plot also. Some just beautiful, simple stories sometimes. And maybe a happier India. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's not get into it. Anyway, Nina, thank you so much. I know you have to run, but this has been a pleasure for us and a real honor and lots of respect. I bow to you. Again, not just as an actress where you are par excellence at that, but as a woman and as a person who took no shit from anyone. So a lot of love and respect from all of us, a whole team. Silvery, kuch kehna hai? Please read a book. Where's the cover?
Thank you so much, ma'am. This has been lovely.
Cyrus, you send me your address. I'll send you one copy.
No, Nina, I'll get the book. Don't be like that. I'm not that bad. पैसा की कमी है, but even I think the richest people in the world say पैसा की कमी है. I don't think that's a generic point. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for coming on the podcast. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Let me get out. How do I get out?
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps, please. We beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter, on Cyrus Says In, or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Hey everybody, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus is joined by two youth leaders from the United Nations We the Change campaign, Akhilesh Anil Kumar and Garvita Gulhati. They talk about why plastic and water are the major issues that need attention immediately. On the Wire Talks, author and journalist Pallavi Iyer tells Siddharth about her latest book, Oriented, an Indian in Japan. On KBCD, we meet entrepreneur Manish Vyas, who talks to Farhad and Sunitra about the world of queer-owned businesses and the challenges they face. On Tede Mere Raste, Keshav takes us to India's biggest man-made lake, Bhopal Tal. And on Yuddha, we discuss how Akbar's fury led to creating a world-changing empire for the Mughals. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our others for that matter, please do tell a friend. We really appreciate you spreading this. Word of mouth helps a lot. And finally, this week, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Slay Coffee, and Intel. We really appreciate the support.
Habits, routines, how exactly do they help us get better? Well, to simplify it for you, tune in to the Habit Coach podcast. I am Ashton Doctor and I'm going to be here to help you get better daily with some simple, easy to do habits that you can easily adapt to your life. So tune in to the Habit Coach podcast from Monday to Friday because I believe that awesome lives start with awesome habits.